Hello everybody, my name is PokeFan214365879, and today I will be showing you my Pokemon and Sonic toy collection. Let's get started. First up, we have Victini Shield. It's not that easy to make it stand. I really need something else to stand it with. Alright, so Victini is a very nice toy. I got it for my birthday, which is June 19th, if you guys didn't know. Which is June 19th, if you didn't know. And it's a very nice figure, and you're going to be seeing them on this video. I don't know what happened. But anyways, yeah. That is something. I'm just grabbing things random from the box, not looking. So I got this, so one second. It might be stealing or something. One second. Some of this stuff is self-attack, falls off kind of, so that's probably what's going on, but seconds. Some stuff does fall off. Some stuff does fall off, okay. Alright. Yeah. Mega Charizard. My daddy got me for last year's Christmas. Very nice. It's cool. I don't use it much, but I like it. Then I have gotten this. My mom got me this for Christmas, and it's very nice. I like the. It was a very nice figure. I really love it. Duraludon is my preferred legendary for Sun and Moon. So getting this freaked me out during Christmas. Alright. I have this Hoopa that's broken. Doesn't have that thing. But I got this when I was at Walmart one day. It's really nice. It came with the Pikachu, but probably we should show something later in the video. Alright, just look at the floor. You guys probably already heard of it because I have Tales of a plane from a Sonic Boom. Absolutely right there. I have a Premier Ball. Pokeballs. I have a Pokeball with some green on it. I have another Pokeball. I have a Hyper Ball, aka the Ultra Ball. I have the Quick Ball. I have these Pokeball Premier Balls. Let me fix it. Changeable Premier Ball. Changeable Premier Ball. Like that. I have a Great Ball like it, like the Premier Ball, so I'm not sure how that works. I have another Premier Ball. I'll show you. I'm gonna put the big stuff right here. All the really big stuff. And there's just some other stuff. I have another Pokeball. I have a lot of Pokeballs, okay? I have another Pokeball. I have an Ultra Ball. The Ultra Ball. I have a Super Ball or the Ball. I have a Master Ball. I have another Super Ball. Okay, the Great Ball. I have the Luxury Ball. I have a lot of Pokeballs. That's it. Then I have Sonic's Blue Force 1. I'm gonna leave that right there. I have Knuckles with the metallic shine. It's tart state. Oh, I have a Space Suit's Tails. I have a Spacesuit Knuckles. I have a Charmander bracelet I got from a mystery box at a Comic-Con. I got this from Comic-Con in a box. I have a Sonic Spin Ball. Do you guys know how it curls up into a ball in a video game? Yeah, that's what that is. By the way, all these products so far have been tiny except for that. I don't know, company like that. I have a Jazzware Supersonic. It doesn't stand. It just. I have Tommy Sonic Boom Amy. That. I have an Eggman, Sonic Boom. I have Metallic Shine Sonic. One second, guys. I'm sorry about this. See, this thing came in a group pack or multi-packs. So, yeah, it's ready. It took a bit to find anything for that. Because I want to put in this video, but I just put everything in a box. So I'm looking through the box. Now I'm just trying to get everything to balance out. Here is Tails with his coin, Knuckles with his coin, and Sonic with his coin. Actually, that's the background. This video is long. I need to finish this before like 20 minutes, or else I can't post this. I have a merch stuff. Very nice figure, by the way. I got this in a 3-pack, but I'm just going really fast, so I don't know. I have a Kyogre. I got it from a 2-pack. Primal Kyogre. Primal Groudon. Got from the same set. Charizard. Tails. Blastoise. A normal Knuckles. Rotom Dex. Another Marshmallow. Flareon. A normal Sonic. Frogdeer with a broken earpiece. Rowlet. I have a Rowlet, Grovyle, Ho-Oh, shoot, Litten, which is really hard to get to stand, but I've got it to stand here and there. I'm just gonna stand next to Rowlet. There, that's what it looks like standing. It's hard for me to get it to stand. I have a Torchic. I have a Tails. And by the way, I've already beaten some collectors and like some stuff already. Like Sonic Pokemon collection. I beat some Pokemon collectors with like these toys already. Another Sonic Boom Amy, which actually can stand. But I like to put it. But I like to give it a little bit of support because it's really easy to knock down. This Amy is really easy to knock down. Because the other Amy I showed you earlier had like a loose foot. I have a Rockruff. I have another Rowlet. I have a Squirtle. I have a Pikachu. I have a Braixen. I have the Blue Force One Sonic with the glasses. Very nice figure. And I don't use my other Sonic as much anymore because I like the glasses on this figure. I have a Mega Charizard X right now, if you guys didn't notice. I have a Mega Charizard. I have a small Mega Charizard Y. I have a Charmander. I have a Charmander. I have a Charmander. Don't ask. I have a Jolteon. I have a Chikorita. I have a Shaman. Manaphy. I think, yes, Manaphy. Oh, shoot. I have a Charmander that came in one of those Charmander sets. I think it's this one, because this one has my best condition Charmander. I have a Styx. Munchlax. Fennekin. Then I got the same set as Chespin, but my grandma's dog needed it. But when I was gone. I have a Torchic. I have a Bayleef. I have an Eevee that's standing straight. I have my old main Pikachu I used to use all the time. I have a Cyndaquil. I have a Totodile. I have a dropped it. I have a Wartortle. I have a Vaporeon. I have a Piggypack. Piggypack. I can't say it. I have a Pikachu. I have another Pikachu. I have a normal classic Knuckles with no metallic shine. Then I have a normal classic Sonic with no metallic shine. I have a dropped it again. I almost slammed it. Then I got that Piggypack I showed you guys. And then what else? I have this Abra that I got in a multi-set with that Rowlet, with one of those Rowlets that's in a Popplio. And then I also have another Rodondex. I have an Ivysaur. It's a nice figure. Got fitness. I have another Styx without a tail. Typhlosion. Alright guys, this video will end here because I'm going to have to enter my phone number so I can record longer videos, but I'm not going to do that. So that's the end of this video. I'm going to make a part 2 right after this. So goodbye.